The market theme Nifty is holding the three-day rally as bulls attempt to reclaim the psychological 24,000 mark on a closing basis. The three positive catalysts. 1. WTI crude oil prices have slipped towards the $76 per barrel mark, their lowest level since March, easing inflation concerns and improving the macro outlook. 2. President Donald Trump indicated that the strategically important Strait of Hormuz could reopen for commercial shipping as early as Friday, raising hopes of a de-escalation in Middle East tensions. 3. The Dow Jones continued its record-breaking run in overnight trade, with Wall Street optimism and easing geopolitical risks providing a supportive backdrop for global equities. Bottom line, the momentum rally has returned, and Nifty is finally catching up with the global risk-on party. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's super bullish session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 749 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of only Rs 10 lakhs. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive rebound play on the upside. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 13.36 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, has cooled towards 94.56 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.06. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.88. Midcap Nifty is at 1.10. Nifty outlook cooling oil plus Iran peace deal is equal to strong tailwinds for Nifty, risk on mood shall continue. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,989. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,681 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,207 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,900 and 24,200. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 76,808. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,141 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 78,385 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,500 to 77,500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,297. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 56,901 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 57,900 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,000 and 58,000. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Smooth sailing is quite likely for benchmark Nifty. All eyes will be on the U.S. Federal Reserve's policy decision under Chair Kevin Warsh is scheduled for Wednesday, 17th June. FOMC rate decision, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, ET, 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, Wednesday. Kevin Warsh's press conference, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 12 o'clock midnight IST, early Thursday, 18th June. For markets, the focus is less on the rate decision, which is widely expected to be unchanged, and more on 1. Any indication of a future rate hike. 2. Updated economic projections and the Fed's dot plot. 3. Warsh's comments on inflation, oil prices, and the economic outlook. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. Sonata Software, plus 20% rallied after the NCLT approved the merger of its wholly owned subsidiary, with trading volumes surging 35x. 2. Dr. Lal Pathlabs, plus 1.61% jumped after announcing its entry into the Dubai market, marking a key step in its international expansion strategy. 3. Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore, FACT, plus 15% soared amid aggressive buying interest, with volumes rising 14x over average levels. Stocks closed in red. 1. GIC, minus 7.45% slipped after its offer for sale. OFS opened at a floor price of 352 rupee per share, representing a sharp discount to the previous closing price and triggering profit booking. Metal stocks under pressure. Hindalco Industries, minus 3.11%. National Aluminium, NALCO, minus 4.11%. Vedant Aluminium, minus 0.84%. Why the sell-off in metal stocks? Aluminium stocks witnessed massive profit booking after global aluminium prices tumbled on expectations that the proposed US-Iran peace deal could lead to the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, easing supply concerns and increasing the availability of metal shipments from the Gulf region. The softer aluminium price outlook weighed on sentiment across the metal pack.